Elysee.
Wait.
We're going to Longchamp. Longchamp. What you can see is Dior shop.
Have you seen this one?
No. Ah, mga battery.
They're doing some
Renovation.
renovation.
Wow, nice. Look guys at Dior ano. Dior shop. Longchamp, where are you? Longchamp. Here in Champs Elysee. We are in hurry to find the Longchamp here in Paris, along Champs Elysee. Louis Vuitton, as usual. The famous Louboutin, Louis Vuitton. There are lines. Wait. Massimo Dutti, Longchamp. There are Louis Vuitton and Dior together. Louis Vuitton and Dior.